Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Ecosport versus Mahindra Thar. We will explore their key differences, from design and performance to practicality and off-road capabilities. The Ecosport is known as a compact SUV, great for urban environments and family trips. In contrast, the Thar is a rugged off-road vehicle, built to conquer challenging terrains. This comparison will help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and driving needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the EcoSport typically features a 1.5-liter petrol or diesel engine, offering a balanced drive for city and highway. Some versions provide up to 166 horsepower. The Thar, however, boasts more robust engine choices, including a 2.0-liter turbo petrol, delivering up to 150 brake horsepower, ideal for demanding conditions. Both offer automatic transmission options for convenience. For daily practicality, the EcoSport shines with its comfortable ride and a boot space of 346 liters, expandable to over 1,200 liters. It also offers a 200mm ground clearance. The Thar, while rugged, has a stiffer suspension tuned for off-road adventures, which can impact on-road comfort. Its boot space is around 257 liters. The Thar is a true off-road beast, featuring a robust four-wheel drive system, a substantial 226mm ground clearance, and impressive approach and departure angles. The EcoSport, while not a dedicated off-roader, offers intelligent all-wheel drive on certain models, providing better traction on slippery surfaces. Considering value, the Thar is for adventure seekers, while the EcoSport is a practical urban SUV. For more deals and the link to those meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.